Stop me if this sound familiar. You are ready to head out of the door. You have got your keys, your phones, but your glasses, they vanish into your abyss. Or worse, you find them face down on the counter with a fresh new scratch. Today we are ending with where are my farms? Sage once and for all. I have created the ultimate lookbook of crochet glasses holders that are part of fashion statement, part lifesavers. From vintage chic to literally work of art, we are diving into the design that will make you want to pick up your hook immediately. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the quirky luxury of the crochet world. If you are someone who wants their accessory to blend in but still look high end, these minimalist sleeves are for you. We are seeing a lot of waistcoat stitches here. It gives that knit look texture that's super sturdy. If you are using a micronized cotton, you get the gorgeous subtle sheen that look expensive but cost about $3 in yarn. These are perfect for gifts because, let's be honest, everyone has that one person in their life who is impossible to shop for. Okay, let's have some fun. We have a plain case when you can have a literally strawberry holding your sunnies. These whimsical designs are blowing up on Pinterest right now. We are going froggy pouches, some flowers, and even some retro grandma square vibes. This best part about these, they are ultimate scrap buster. You probably have enough yarn to get your stash right now to make these. If you're a beginner, the shape holders are a great way to practice increasing and decreasing without pressurizing or making full garment. Now for my practical kings and queens, something isn't just about the pouch, you need accessibility. Check out the Granny Square revival. We are moving past and things that 90s into chunky, braided, and floral layered designs. I am obsessed with these flat lays cause these doubles as desk stand. Adding a little stiffening spray or a plastic mesh insert can turn a soft crochet pouch into a hard shell protector. It's all about that from meats, functions, energy. I don't know about you, but to my crochet just grew by about 10 projects. Which one of these was your favorite? Are you team minimalist or team squishy? Let me know in the comments if you want deep dive tutorial of any of these stitches.